Kennedy's fate is now in the hands of a Westchester jury. Just a day ago, she testified she accidentally took a sleeping pill before getting behind the wheel. CBS 2's Lou Young live at the courthouse in White Plains tonight for us. Lou.
Yeah, the jury deliberated about a half hour before asking for a readback from a drug expert, and then they were sent home for the evening and will resume in the morning. That drug expert was talking about the sleep aid called Ambien, or Zolpidem in its generic form. The drug at the center of this case is leased as consumed by Kerry Kennedy. Like so many cases, it's about what she knew and when she knew it. In closing arguments in this drug driving case, few facts are in dispute, but the mindset of the defendant is at issue. Kerry Kennedy, the 54-year-old daughter of the late Robert F. Kennedy, insists she simply took a sleeping pill by mistake, then blacked out behind the wheel. In closing argument, her lawyer, Gerald Lefcourt, told the jury her erratic driving and vehicle accident were unintentional. If she realized she was under the drug's influence, he said she would have never done that. She would not have continued driving. Accidents, he insisted, are not crimes. But Assistant DA Doreen Lloyd scoffed at that notion moments later. She did take the pill accidentally, she conceded, then said when someone ingests this pill, they do feel it. She had to have been drowsy. The pill she's talking about is Zolpidem, a generic form of Ambien, a sleeping aid. And the state says common sense tells you before you sleep, you know you're sleeping. She urged jurors not to be blinded by the Kennedy mystique. Anyone on any given day, she said, can engage in actions that become a crime. She is not exempt from the rule of law. I'm comfortable you will speak truth to power and convict Kerry Kennedy. That speak truth to power phrase was a dig directly at Kennedy, the title of her book about her overseas humanitarian and human rights work. She portrayed herself as a person who was above reproach, essentially, and did not lie, and the state is challenging that. The jury will be back tomorrow on this trial, the second day of deliberations, a misdemeanor driving under the influence case. We're live in White Plains. Lou Young, CBS 2 News.